Welcome to Code with Kurt. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the onOpen trigger, and we're going to use this on a Google Sheet. And basically what this trigger does is it runs an event right when you open the file, and this could be used on a spreadsheet or document, but in this video I'm going to show you how to use it on a spreadsheet. If you're interested in more videos with Google Sheets and Google Apps Script, please subscribe to this channel for future videos. Now let's get started with this video. So what I'm going to do down here, there is a trigger function down here. I'm going to just go ahead and copy it because we're just going to go ahead and use this. And what this is doing is it's creating a custom menu to your menu bar. It's listing an item, and under that item we're going to call a function just to do something. And then this last thing ties these two commands together to add that menu to your Google Sheet. I'm going to go ahead and copy it, and then we're going to start a new file. So I'm going to go to my drive, Google Sheet. I'm going to hit onOpen. I'm going to name it onOpen. I'm going to name my sheet open. And now I'm going to go to Tools, Script Editor. I'm going to name this onOpen. Go ahead and copy this function that we got from our documentation. So now we're going to have to supply it with another function. So let's go ahead and do that. And in this function, I'm just going to populate a range with my name. So I'm going to go ahead and type that out. So with this menu item, I'm going to click it. It's going to call this function, which will set range A1 with my name. We're going to go ahead and save that. And now we're going to kick this trigger off. So I'm going to close everything down. Close this, close that, go to my Google Drive. I'm going to refresh it to bring my new file in. So now it is refreshed. I'm going to go ahead and open this file. So it's opening, and you'll see here it'll add this menu item when it's done fully opening. There it is, our custom menu. So now I can click that. I can click the first item. It's going to kick off the other function. First, we're going to do the authorization to give a permission. We go to advanced, we go that, and once we do this, then we won't have to do this again. So it says running script. I'm going to hit cancel. Since I had to go through that authorization, now I'm going to go to custom menu, hit first item. So now it's running, it populates my name. So we're going to go back to our script, and I'm just going to show you another example that we can do this. Instead of doing all this, create a menu to call this, I'm just going to show you that I could take this statement that you're populating a range, come up here, and do this. So we're going to populate B1 with just the word now. So it'll still add the menu, but then at the same time it's going to populate B1 with now. So let's go ahead and save that. I'm going to go back to our sheet. I'm just going to get rid of that. And then I'm going to close everything, go back to my Google Drive. I'm going to click this, open it back up. Now I should get something to populate at B1. There it is, it shows now, and now I can go over to my menu, hit first item, and now it populates my name. So that concludes this video. That just shows you a couple examples of how we use the onOpen trigger. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it below the video. Until next time.